Laser SLA 3D printing is the premium technology for best printing quality. But current laser 3D printers are either very expensive or require lots of DIY skills. That's why we created SolidMaker, the laser SLA 3D printer with an affordable price for everyone. SolidMaker is ideal for 3D printing enthusiasts as well as professional users. It gives you endless opportunities to create whatever you can imagine with an amazing high accuracy. It's super easy to use, and the printing speed is 320 millimeters per second, making it very productive and efficient. We offer 5 types of resins in different colors for your creations. SolidMaker is also compatible with third-party resins. There are no hidden costs, and you don't need to buy overpriced resins. We are a professional team focusing on SLA 3D printing and have years of experience in designing and manufacturing. Our mission is to create an affordable, high-resolution printer for everyone that brings more fun to people and boosts their creativity. So please join us today and discover new opportunities with SolidMaker. Your only limitation is your imagination.